Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unlink devices on WhatsApp. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't done so, is just click the download app option in the upper right corner. And from here, all you have to do is simply follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Okay, so once you are here, there are several reasons why you might want to unlink devices on WhatsApp. Because for one, if you have linked WhatsApp to a device that you no longer have control or that you suspect may be compromised, unlinking it from your account can prevent unauthorized access to your messages, right? Not only that, obviously, unlinking devices ensures that your WhatsApp messages and data are not accessible to others who may have access to the linked device, thereby protecting your privacy. Now, if you have linked a multiple device but no longer need some of them, obviously unlinking those devices can streamline your usage and reduce the risk of confusion or accidental message delivery to unintended recipients. Now, unlinking your device is very easy and a straightforward process. Okay, all you have to do from here is go to the settings. Now from here, you can check your linked devices regularly, and to review all devices linked to your account, tap the three ellipsis icon on Android and obviously the cog icon settings on iPhone. Alright, now to log out of a linked device, tap the device lag out, as you can see, and it'll automatically disconnect a linked devices after 30 days of inactivity. Also, you can scan the WhatsApp QR code or use your phone number to link to a new device to your account. Obviously, on the link on WhatsApp Web, WhatsApp for Windows and Mac, WhatsApp Android tablets, or for that matter, it's going to be taken application here. All right. Now, in the event that you are having problems unlinking your devices here on WhatsApp, you might want to go here in the WhatsApp customer support. And from here, all you have to do is provide the phone number you use for the WhatsApp account, your email address, and confirm email address. And how do you use WhatsApp? Is it via the web and desktop? Is it via Android, iPhone, and a lot more? And from there, the WhatsApp customer support will be more than glad to fix the unlinking devices on your WhatsApp account. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.